I love Jeeps and I absolutely hate cracked windshields. That is my absolute pet peeve. I cannot stand it. They drive me insane. I don't like seeing them. I don't even like riding in cars with cracked windshields. Windshield Defense System from Racing Optics is the solution. Solution. No secret that the Jeep Wrangler windshields, from when they first came out to the last one that just rolled out of the assembly line, are prone to cracking. The flat windshield shape and the angle of the windshield, they just love getting hit with rocks for some reason going down the highway. So this is my wife's 2021 Jeep JLU. This is her daily driver. She drives it everywhere she goes. And it has a perfect windshield, which I love, and I want to keep it that way. And it's also no secret that whenever these windshields crack, it is very costly. I know several Jeep guys that are on their third and fourth windshield.
Nonsense, poopy pants!
So what my plan is tonight is to show you how to install this windshield defense system. It can save you thousands in the future from putting windshields in. All right, so I'm going to be seeing what comes in the box here. All right, so this is what comes in the box, and I'll show you what's in this. This is going to be your squeegee, and this is going to be your multi-film installation solution. Ooh, that happens. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is actually going to be cleaning this windshield. So you can do this by yourself, but it's going to be a lot easier if you have somebody helping me. So I have my dad right here helping, and I'm going to be spraying this solution all over the windshield here. Go ahead and just spray a whole lot of it. Sorry. And then I'm going to be taking brand new rags and just cleaning all the bugs and everything off. And make sure that you use a new rag. Don't use a rag that you wash the dog with. Make sure that you get every square inch of the windshield. Now that I have the windshield clean with the solution, I'm going to spray some more solution on it and go back over it with the provided squeegee. The Jeep did get washed today before I brought it into the shop, but even though it's clean, I'm still going to spray some solution on the hood right here and go over it with one of these new rags. So now I'm going to be taking the liner out of the tube, and it is clearly marked. So there is a liner in here that you peel off. And so what I'm going to do is just lay it right here on the hood, which has the solution on it. I'm going to go over the windshield one more time with some solution. You cannot use too much of this stuff. All right, so now I'm going to take the thin layer and just pull all the way off. So now I'm going to take some more of this solution and just go all over this. So before we apply this, I'm going to go over it one more time. My intentions are to use this entire bottle on this install here, apparently. So now we're going to pick this up and go over the windshield wipers and go on to the Jeep windshield. I'm going to take the squeegee and just start in the center and just slowly work my way down. And I'm getting that solution and any bubbles outside. I'm just going to slowly start working it. And then you can hand it to a parent or guardian to do the same. And we're just really just taking our time here. So now that we got the majority of the bubbles and the solution out from behind, I'm gonna go back over with the squeegee, and this time I'm pushing down pretty hard. Look at that. I love it. So you can see I have the Windshield Defense System on here. It's super shiny. You can see my lights. So the total install time was about 20 minutes. It took me longer to charge my camera and get all my stuff for that set up than it did to actually put the windshield defense on. So you can see how clean it is. You can see the little duckies in there. I'm going to let the Jeep stay in my shop tonight just to ensure that it cures properly. It said in the instructions to let them cure for, I think it's 2 to 3 hours. So I'm going to let it chill in here overnight. That way when my wife gets it in the morning, it hasn't rained or anything, or the dew has affected it at all. I just want to make sure that it adheres and cures properly. So the main reason that I went with the windshield defense from Racing Optics is that it has 3 layers of film where all the other ones just have 1. So now my wife can comfortably tailgate 18-wheelers and dump trucks going down the highway and not have to worry about cracking the windshield or anything like that. So make sure you go to racingoptics.com. I'll put the link in the description below, and you can actually use my discount code BRILEYTAYLOR. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate y'all watching me install the Windshield Defense System from Racing Optics. A huge shout out to Racing Optics, who is a sponsor and a supporter of the channel. If you would like to see any of their products, I will put a link in below. Do yourself a favor and get one of these for your Jeep windshields. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Check out this box.